Keep patients and staff updated and informed with digital signage in your healthcare facility. Here are 5 ideas for your screens. Raise awareness through eye-catching graphics and animations in waiting rooms and common areas, and display health tips for patients to ensure they are following hygiene guidelines. Display waiting times and keep your patients updated, and some entertaining content in between to reduce the waiting frustration. Why not show recognition for the people who have helped? Thank donors or people who have had their vaccines. Add a personal and engaging touch to your signs. Or have a weekly staff spotlight for those who have gone the extra mile. Make your staff feel appreciated for the work they do. You can also use digital signage to display wayfinding information, especially in larger organisations. Display facility maps and show patients where to find each department. Show us what you've done with your digital signs to be featured in our social media.